Hello guys and welcome to turn number 1 for Italy. Yeah, we've seen some interesting stuff going on here in Africa already. So the British started to build rail road, so we can now rail from all the way down from Cape Town to Cairo. Looks interesting. Let's see, maybe we can also benefit from that rail someday if that belongs to us. But let's see, we're just in turn 1, so let's see what the future will bring. Yeah, Italy. Italy has one tech role to make, and I will go for improved construction. And improved construction, I need wait a second. I need what is it? 7 or higher. All right, let's see. That's a 9. I take that. Great. So improved construction goes up to stage 1 for Italy. Not bad. Purchases. Now Italy has not that much money to spend. It's just $10. So the destroyer is free of charge. It was already on the setup board here. I will build a militia for 2, Lend-Lease a mountain infantry for the Spanish nationalists, and we'll build a colonial infantry. And that's the $10. So combat moves, yeah, thought about it back and forth. Problem is, now there are 3 militias and a mountain infantry, and I only have 3 infantry, a cavalry, and a fighter. I don't think it's a good idea to attack this turn, so no combat move here at the moment. But non-combat move, of course, we have some. So first of all, the ships here, it's a light cruiser and a destroyer. They will move 1 and 2 and 3 into, what is it? Wait a second. This is M6. So the 3 coastal subs, they go down to, what is that? M4. Yeah, these 2, they came from Africa. All the other ships here, the battleship. And the others, the heavy cruiser and the 2 destroyers and the torpedo boat destroyer, they all go into M3, of course. Next, we have the mountain infantry using the narrow crossing here from Sicily to southern Italy. The militia from Lazio moves up to Rome. The militia from southern Italy moves up to Lazio. The militia from northern Italy moves to Rome. Then we have the fighter and the tactical up here in northern Italy. They will fly down to, they can fly 1, 2, 3, and 4 and land in Cyrenaica. The infantry from Cyrenaica goes to Tobruk. The infantry from Tripolitania goes to Cyrenaica. I'm not sure how to pronounce this word, to be honest. And yeah, I think that's it almost. No, the sub here, the sub will go to M4 and join the coastal subs there. And yeah, I think this is it for Italy. There's not much to do, to be honest, on turn 1. So we can go straight to placement of units. And first of all, the destroyer will be built in the shipyard here in M3, joining the other ships there. Then we will lend-lease the mountain infantry. It will be built in northern Italy, and then it can move all the way around Gibraltar and enters the game in Galicia and Leon. So now we have 2 mountain infantry there, 2 infantry, militia, fighter, artillery, and a cavalry. And the next 2 units will be placed in Africa, and that's the militia, which will be placed in Italian Somaliland, and the colonial infantry will also be placed in Italian Somaliland. I wasn't sure about the build restrictions for colonials. I saw you can only build 1 if the territories were 1 only, so that's a bit of a problem here, but yeah, we make the best out of it. I forgot the fighter. It will move 1 and 2 into Italian Somaliland. Yeah, we will do it like that. So this is our base here where we might see future attack on Abyssinia. Let's see what the future will bring. Let's check out the income. There's no change for Italy. Stays the same, stays at 10. So next up will be US KMT, and Italy will have 10 IPP the next turn. Guys, thanks for watching. It will be an interesting game. Quite sure about it. And yeah, hope to see you soon. Bye bye.